Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So do you want to know about Kanki Mircom reviews? So here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. Also, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So please stay tuned with us. People from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and to not skip any part of it. So now we'll talk about the website's type and the products they deals with. So this website is an online shopping store which deals with Christmas trees. They offer different kind of Christmas trees. So you can check these products out by visiting to their official site. Next, we'll check their payment method. So this website accepts American Express, Discover, JCB, MasterCard, PayPal, Visa, and so on. Now let's check the shipping policy. So if you want to know about the shipping timing, so there is the processing timing and the shipping timing. So the processing timing is 1 business days, and under free shipping it takes 3 to 7 business days for the orders to be shipped. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe. It's a good sign of this website. Now if you want to know about the domain details, this website was registered on 24th of January 2021 and it is going to expire on 25th of January 2022, which means this website was registered on this year. So guys, if you want to know about their About Us details, go to the About Us page section. But when it comes to their About Us details, they haven't given their business establishment here. They have only given details about their mission and about their brand, so you can check this out. Now, if you want to know about their contact details, they do have a separate page section for their contact details, but as you can see, they haven't provided their contact details out here. Also, we have checked in other places. They haven't given their contact details anywhere, so this is also a negative sign. So now if you want to know about their social media presence, so this website does not have any social media presence at all, which is another drawback of this website. So next we are going to check the return and refund policy. So here in the return policy, they have mentioned that if you want to return the product, you have to return it within 7 days. And also about the refund, they have said that the refund will usually be completed within 7 working days. So please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the Kanki Mircom reviews, there are no single customer review of this website anywhere. And the trust score of this website is only 1% and the business trust ranking is 48.7%. It's very low. And the content quality also seems to be totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the Kanki Mircom reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. It is a quite young website. It does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, they haven't given their contact details and the trust score is very low. So it seems like it is a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.